Hey guys, welcome to Bella's nursery room. So this is Bella's room. It's actually the smallest room in the house. I'm so sorry, Bella. But even though it's the smallest room, it's created with so much love and thought. We actually designed this room on my last trimester, I think. So yes, I know. I was really a crazy pregnant lady taking on this project on my last trimester. But thankfully, I had the help of Maid Studios. They actually helped me design this room because I just didn't have it in me to do it all by myself. The owner of Maid Studios, Nana, or Katrina Loring, you've seen her on my vlogs before. She knows me really, really well. So I felt like I could really trust her because we see eye to eye with these types of things. So let's start off with our accent wall. So this accent wall was actually painted by the Gibbs sisters. I messaged Chi Gibbs and I showed her some pegs. Like I showed her kind of like this one. I saw a cabinet on Pinterest and it looked like a vintage cabinet and it had some artwork on it and then it inspired this whole thing. She just made it into her own. And I've always been a fan of Chi's fashion and art, everything. And I feel like she really knows colors so well. And that was one thing that I was so adamant about when it came to Bella's nursery room. I kept telling Nana that I refuse to be a beige mom. I mean, the house is already so neutral to begin with. I just feel like I wanted the kids' rooms to be fun. So both Sienna and Bella's rooms are fun, but at the same time, something that would be easy for us to tweak as they grow older. So Maid Studios, Chi, and I came up with these colors together, but I really feel like Chi made it even better than what we imagined. Every single detail of this accent wall is just perfection. One little detail here that Yoni is super duper proud of is this one because it actually is the same color as the team colors of Yoni's favorite hockey team in Tampere in Finland. It's Ilves, so he really likes that. He feels like it's an ode to his team. And then we have over here our Stokey crib. At first when I was looking at the photos, I thought it would be really, really small, but oh my gosh, it's huge. And it's just perfect. I love this little oak color here because later on you'll see the room actually has a lot of oak wood touches, so it matches the room perfectly. And this is something that Bella can actually grow old with. It turns into a toddler bed as well, just like Sienna's crib. And then over here, I'm sure you've seen this before in our previous vlogs. This has moved with us from house to house to house. It's our trusty dresser. I think this was from West Elm. So it's been with us since Yoni and I were just the two of us. And then when Sienna was born, it also became Sienna's dresser. And now it's Bella's dresser. And I feel like it's still perfect for the room. Nana actually of Maid Studios wanted to change the handles still. So I feel like when she sees this vlog, mahuhuli niyang hindi ko pa pinapalitan yung handles. But she wanted the colors to be like in a nice greenish tone also like this one. But for me, this is fine. And then we have here our lamp from our old guest room. If you guys remember from our old Kokoro house, I had this made by Altum Concepts. It went also to Sienna's room and now it's in Bella's room. I really love this. It's made of like some sort of resin. I can't remember the exact name of the material, but I love it. It's a sustainable material. We have here Pom Pom Purin, donated by Sienna. She kept my melody and she gave this to her sister. And then we have here a whiteboard for Bella's schedule. Actually, I have to update that. That's not Bella's schedule anymore. And then if you look over here, we have our rug. Also, Sienna's old rug. This is from Inky Room and it's a baby-friendly rug because it's machine washable and it's super low maintenance. When this used to be in Sienna's room, there's been a lot of like mga paint or like mga leftover Play-Doh, but easily washable. Another fun detail in Bella's room is our ceiling detail designed by Maid Studios as well. So this is kind of like a throwback to my old OOTD ways. Remember when I used to love doing print on print? So parang print on print din siya. But we made sure to make it cohesive by incorporating the light mocha color in the wall art as well. So you'll see touches of the light mocha color also all over our accent wall, which I feel made it super duper cohesive. And so now let's open the light. We also incorporated a skylight in the middle because I really, really love faux skylights. So this is by Skyline and they can do all sorts of things. You can actually even put like a print on your skyline, but you know, let's not go crazy. Let's just stick to the classic warm white color. Sienna also actually has one in her room in a different shape. I really love this because it makes the room so much brighter and also no shadows on the face. Beautiful for filming. Am I right? Yes? Yes. This was actually what I wanted for my walk-in closet, but at that time, I didn't know Skyline yet. And I think faux skylights in the Philippines at that time when we were building the house were still super new, so the price was was just crazy expensive. I couldn't justify it for my walk-in closet. And I'm so tempted to do it for my walk-in closet as well, but that would mean I would renovate again and that would just drive me crazy. So for the kids na lang. So this is where we control all of that. We control the lights here, the air conditioning, the curtains here. It's also our intercom. You can also see the weather. So this is part of our smart home integration by Smartage. Oh, before I forget, I know that the wall art is super duper special, but this wall is also really special. All the plain walls around Bella's room are actually pianified. They're by Piani Surfaces. I wish you could see it in person because it's not like a plain wall. There's actually so much texture and strokes on it. If I'm not mistaken, it's the Marmorino product of Piani Surfaces. So Made Studios, they didn't want the walls to appear flat, and that's why we went with Marmorino from Piani Surfaces. Sponsored by Yoni Coro. Thank you so much, Piani Surfaces. Over here, these are cabinets designed by Made Studios and manufactured by Anglo-Filipino. I love Anglo. Actually, they also did our guest room, which you'll see one day. But I really love their workmanship. They've done a lot of things already for Kokoro House, and I was so pleased with them that I knew that there's no other company that I would trust for Bella and Sienna's room. So all the cabinetry and fixed furniture here in Bella's room and also in Sienna's room are made by Anglo-Filipino, and their workmanship is really amazing, and they really just understand the vision. So for this cabinet, I think I sent a few pegs over to Made Studios, and I just told them that I really don't want anything boxy or anything that would remind me of, you know how the cabinets were during the 90s, where everything felt like bulky built-ins. Like, I still wanted these cabinets to feel kind of like airy and not so boxy. I wanted it to be curvy still, so it's very much in theme with how the rest of the Kokoro house looks. So that's why we have all these like wavy features, and if you look at the edge of the cabinet, it's also like a nice little curve here, so it also gives this like a bigger space. It doesn't feel as cramped because, as I've mentioned before, Bella's room is much smaller than Sienna's room. So even though we wanted to maximize the cabinet space for this wall, we didn't want this area to feel so cramped. So I feel like this curved design helps achieve that. I remember the first design that Made Studios sent me didn't really have a lot of storage for Bella's room because, again, it was really a small room and they didn't want it to look so cramped. But I told them I really need to maximize the storage space in this room because, you know, babies have so much needs. So yeah, I'm happy that we have this over here. It can store so much. So as you can see, we still have a lot of space to fill. So in case you guys want to send some gifts for Bella, don't you worry, we have enough space. Don't look at this area. This is reality over here. These are just some toys that are still too complicated for her to use now as a newborn. So this entire space as well, super duper big pa. And this glass is something that I really loved. I knew that I wanted fluted or ribbed glass. I just feel like it makes it, again, look airier, lighter, not as bulky, as opposed to like having this completely closed. But of course, I know the downside to that is that you always have to keep this semi-organized, which is how I like things done anyways, even though this would be all covered up. I like everything organized. You guys know that, so no problem for me. But yeah, I really love this fluted glass. And then we have here some drawers as well. So these will store so much of Bella's maybe notebooks in the future, books and stuff like that. So yeah, we still have so much space. We haven't really used any of them. And then in the future, when she's older, she can just use this as well for her clothes, maybe for her shoes. Even if it's got a fun, whimsical feel to it, I feel like this is something that she could still use even though when she's older. I would still use it. And then we have over here Mommy's nursing corner. We have our rocking chair from Tutti Bambini. I love their stuff. They're so cost-friendly, but at the same time, super high quality. This is also from Tutti Bambini. See? And then it already comes with its own pillow. So perfect siya for my back because I love that for my lower back. And then I'll just feed Bella here with this armrest. This star and moon pillow are from Malabar Baby. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they're made of organic bamboo. Sienna also has. Hers is a cloud and star naman. So matching sila ni Bella Bear. And we have here some little toys gifted to Bella Bear, which are super duper cute. And then some more toys here. Again, these are Sienna's also. Sienna's old play gym, kaya meron pang name ni Sienna. But you know, I'm sure Bella won't mind because she can't read yet. So she wouldn't know. For all she knows, this is Bella as well. And then this is also like from one of our old PR packages and I decided to keep this. I just removed the branding and I feel like it's perfect here for all of the other toys for Bella Bear. This contains just a few of the baby toys that we play with Bella Bear. And then over here, this was also made by Anglo-Filipino. I love their wood veneers. They're all so beautiful. Not all wood veneers are made equal. These are really, really nice. I love them. Again, their workmanship is beautiful, especially with these curves. They're not easy to make. Wait till you see Sienna's room as well. Sienna has a lot of these curves as well, and those are really, really nicely made as well by Anglo. So yeah, we have here just a few of Bella's stuffed toys. Again, these boxes are from PR packages that I just decided to keep because sayang naman, it's super duper nice. These books are all from Sienna. Actually, most of these stuffed toys are also from Sienna that Sienna decided to just give it to Bella because she's such a thoughtful, generous big sister. And then yeah, again, some more toys, some hand-me-downs from Sienna because she's already too old for some of these toys. And all these are also from our old home. I just kept them and I felt like it suited the house, so they're now here. We have here Bella's night light. So she usually sleeps with lights out na, but you know, when we're doing some stuff at night, we use this night light. And then over here, we have a huge cabinet. Still have nothing inside these, just to store a bunch of baby stuff na naman. We have here some newborn clothes that no longer fit Bella that I have yet to sort through to donate or give away to my friends. And over here is Bella's walk-in closet. Next walk-in closet. But anyway, this is also much smaller than Sienna's walk-in closet. But I'm hoping she's a minimalist queen, just like how my sister is. Like, I am not a minimalist queen. I have so much stuff. But my sister, she can live with a closet space like this. So I'm hoping that Bella would be the same. So there would be no need for us to extend her walk-in closet. But I got these online. I'm gonna put the link down below. They're really, really nice. It makes it look super duper neat. You'll see here, we still have a bunch na wala pang laman. But I'm sure as she grows, we'll find something to put inside them. I love it because it's super sturdy. I see a lot of like these types of storage boxes, but they don't feel as premium. This one feels premium and I love the color. I love that it also keeps its shape already and it doesn't look wrinkled. A lot of them look wrinkled when they're delivered. So this is really nice. Up there are some IKEA boxes. It's also from the Kugis line, if I remember correctly. We have there her carriers, her diaper bags, some big play mats, and then here are some of her clothes. I'm really proud of this find, this hanger, because this hanger can grow with them because it extends. And then now that they're still small, ganito muna yung hanger. O, diba? And then, of course, because I like everything to match, I found these as well for the clip hangers. And then, again, these are just from my PR packages, these acrylic cases. Decided to keep them because they're perfect for all the little clips and knickknacks. Her tiny little shoes, baby shoes are really so cute. She doesn't wear them yet because she's barely 2 months old, but they're here waiting for her when she's ready. This entire closet system is from IKEA. It's the Boaxel line, if I remember correctly. I chose this because it can grow with them. It's very easy to adjust this because it already comes with these railings behind. So you can easily adjust the shelves, the railings. You can also like change the system. You can change the drawers into racks. So as they grow older and their needs change, we can easily change this as well. Most importantly, it's super duper affordable. I feel like when it comes to baby things, you need more affordable stuff because, you know, you're not going to be able to use them for a long time. So really quickly, these are just some of her jammies, some house clothes like onesies that are for daytime wear, her swimsuits. These are already for the next months. We've already unpacked them. And then some of her bonnets, some washcloths, sleep suits, burp cloths, bibs. Sobrang dami because these are all Sienna's. And then some socks, headbands. And then over here, we have our changing pad. This is, again, from Stokey, which is perfect for Bella's room. It just matches all our oak wood stuff around the room. This one, when I saw online, I also thought it was like a tiny little thing, but it's huge. It's super spacious. I love that this is so easy to clean. It comes off and you just wipe it and then you're all done. And then over here, we have her sterilizer. It's the Spectra sterilizer from Baby Mama. Like, I just put some baskets over here. This is a perfect location. So we come from the bathroom and then here, all toweled up. Fix Bella Bear. All the supplies are here. And then if we need to change her diaper, we have our diaper bin over here, which is perfect. It's super duper sealed. The smell doesn't come out. And it's also beautiful, also in a rounded shape. This is from Snuggle. It's just beautiful. I never thought I would call a diaper bin beautiful, but it is truly beautiful. And then over here, all the supplies for all her rooming needs. We used this as well for Sienna when she was a baby. So now this trolley is in Bella's room. So we have here her cotton pads, some more like acrylic organizers that I went crazy over during my nesting phase as a prego because I really wanted this area to be perfect and super functional. We have here some gauze sticks from Baby Moby. A lot of our stuff are from Baby Moby actually, all these cotton. Then water wipes, we have her alcohol, water, so a lot of her different like vitamins, and then basket of diapers. So yeah, it's super duper organized. That is the word for this tour, organized. Wanted to show you guys this one. This is Bella's Oogie Bear. Sienna also has an Oogie Bear, but hers is the older version. And this one is like the next level Oogie Bear. So in case you're not a parent, you're not familiar what Oogie Bear is, it's what you use to clean their noses, to remove the boogers, or their ears as well. So you put this here, and then may light siya. Do you see it? Because you know, sometimes you can get lost in there. So, may light siya. Isn't it so cute? Grabe. When we were kids, I'm sure we didn't have anything like this. I mean, we can survive without them, but it's nice to have them. And then we have here Bella's bathroom. As you can see, it has a very neutral color because, you know, we moved in here not knowing if our second child would be a girl or a boy. So I really wanted something neutral. Our faucet, the towel holder, towel rack, this faucet, these are all from Home Store. Love them because they're super duper affordable as well. And they have a lot of like really, really nice designs. And then we have here some more storage space under the sink. So that's where we keep like extra diapers, extra toothpaste in the future. This mirror is actually ours. It's from Nordic Concept. It's by the brand called Item. I did show you guys our switches all over the house are really, really super sleek. They're from Smartage. And then over here, pinagpilitan ko talaga magkaroon ng shelf space even though the shelf is so narrow. But I mean, you can still put some stuff here. So in the future, I was thinking that this is where we're gonna put Bella's diapers when she's no longer in need of a changing pad. And then these usually have her hand towels. And then these are her bath towels. I think all of her hand towels are currently in the wash. But these are her hand towels. Moomin! Because, you know, Finland represent. So here is Bella's shower, also from Home Store. So we have over here her bathtub. It's from Stokey. And I love that it already comes with this stand. So you don't have to bend super duper low for it. And it already comes with this as well. So Bella can just sit here beautifully and we don't have to worry about her going under or sliding down in the bathtub. I really love this because it's super portable. You can remove this bathtub, fold it, and then the stand also, it's also foldable. And then you can also easily drain the bath water. There's even a hose there so the bath water will just go directly to the floor. Bella's shower actually has this curved feature because this is to maintain the exterior design of the house. So there's a curved feature here. And we put like a nice little bench area there so she can sit also. And that's also where she'll be putting her shower, her conditioner, her body wash in the future. I'm sure there are some of you who are worrying on my window here. Don't you worry, it's frosted. And there's also like a wood detail outside, which will make it hard for you to see inside. And that's it for our nursery room tour vlog. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that this inspires you with your own nursery rooms. You know, the goal is really to make a fun kiddie room, but you know, not something that would be hard for us to adjust to as she grows older. We still wanted the room to feel classy. Thanks to Maid Studios and also Chi and also Peony Services and also myself, we were able to achieve just that. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below which part is your favorite, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.